In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion template using Only ChatGPT, an essential tool in 2025's digital workspace landscape. If you've ever found yourself juggling between productivity tools or just wanting a streamlined way to organize your tasks, ideas, or projects, leveraging AI to generate a custom template can be a game changer. So let's dive in. First things first, head over to ChatGPT. Simply navigate to your browser and search for the ChatGPT website. This AI powerhouse is your partner today, ready to dig into the details of your Notion template requirements and help you create a robust framework. Once you're there, log in or sign up if you haven't yet, because access is key to everything that follows. Now, once you're inside ChatGPT, your task is to locate the GPT section. Think of GPTs as specialized conversational agents, each designed to assist with different tasks or inquiries. Clicking on this section unlocks a diverse array of GPTs available within the platform. Next, in the search bar at the top of the screen, type in Notion. You're essentially telling ChatGPT what you're interested in, and searching in the GPT section narrows down the options to those most pertinent to creating Notion templates. Keep an eye out for a GPT that catches your eye and aligns with your template making aims. With the search completed, look for the Notion Templates Creator. This is a tailored GPT prepped and ready to facilitate today's process. Selecting this option will allow you to activate the specific capabilities of the bot designed to address Notion-related requests and functions. When you see the Notion Templates Creator, your next step is to click on Start Chat. This action initiates a direct conversation with the tool. You'll get immediate access to begin crafting your template, perfectly aligning AI capabilities with your specific Notion needs. At this point, it's time to type in your prompt. This is where you get to direct the conversation, so be clear and specific about what you need in your Notion template. Whether it's a project tracker, personal planner, or a content calendar, whatever it is, write your instructions clearly for the best results. Finally, click the send or the arrow up button to dispatch your instructions to the Notion Templates Creator. Within moments, you'll witness ChatGPT's marvel as it constructs a Notion template based on your input, bringing your vision to digital life. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to crafting a Notion template using only ChatGPT in 2025. With AI at your fingertips, bringing your organizational vision to life has never been easier. Remember, you can always tweak and adjust your instructions for further customization. Thank you for tuning in, and happy templating.